Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the Moto G6 by Motorola. This is one of their mid-range devices. You can get it for about $250 right now. Now, before I get to the unboxing and first impressions, let me go over some of the specs really quick. So it does have Android 8.0 Oreo. It's got Qualcomm's Snapdragon 450 processor, 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB or 64 GB of internal storage with expandable micro SD card slot up to 128 GB. It's got a 5.7-inch IPS LCD 1080 Full HD display, a 3000 milliamp battery with turbo charging capabilities. In the back of the device, it does have a dual camera setup with 12 and a 5 megapixel rear camera with f1.8 aperture, and for the front camera you got an 8 megapixel camera and a fingerprint sensor down at the bottom. Now let's see what's inside the box. If you look around back at the top, it tells you what is in the box. It includes the Moto G6, the charger, USB cable, and guide. So yeah, I don't see any earphones in here or anything else, so I think they're keeping it pretty basic. So let's go ahead and open this box. Let's go. Here it is. So there is the device. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. But yes, here is the device, the Moto G6, and wow, it looks really nice. It's got a nice finish to it. It actually looks like a premium device. My first impressions, it looks like a premium device. Here we got the fingerprint sensor down on the bottom, the front camera on top, dual camera setup in the back. It does have a bit of a camera hump in the back, which honestly, in my opinion, I'm kind of not a fan of the camera hump, but overall, I'm pretty impressed. For a mid-range device, it actually looks really nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side for now. Now let's see what's in the box. We got the guides, info, and all that. Let's take this out, set that to the side. Here is the power adapter. Here's to take out the SIM card slot, and we got the USB Type-C. I don't see anything else in the box. It is empty. Chuck that to the side. But yes, this is everything that comes in the box. As you can see, it's pretty basic. It doesn't come with much. But let's go ahead and slide this over to the side and get to the device itself. So here it is, the Motorola. You got that 5.7-inch display in the front, the IPS LCD display. You got a nice glass finish in the back. Let's take this plastic off. If I can get it off, here we go. Oh, I love this, so satisfying. But yes, there it is, that beautiful display. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and power the device on. Let's see if it's got some juice. I hope it does. Yeah, there we go. We got some juice on this device. It is booting up. So far, it looks good. The screen actually looks pretty bright. I mean, I'm not outside or anything, but it does look like it has a nice bright display. But let's look around the device real quick. On the bottom, you can see the headphone jack. You got a USB Type-C charging port there on the bottom. And as you can see, there is no speaker. The speaker is actually here in front. This is where the sound is going to come out when watching videos and also talking on the device. Got the front facing camera. This also has facial recognition to unlock this device. So this is the opening screen. I'm gonna go ahead and set myself up real quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, you guys, so here it is. I am back. I am set up and ready to go. I was kind of messing with it a little bit before I got back on, and I'm pretty impressed. It actually runs pretty smooth for a mid-range device that only costs $250. You got that nice stock Android experience on this device, and the fingerprint reader works actually pretty good as well. Boom. See, you don't, some phones you do have to press the power button before touching the fingerprint sensor in order for it to open up the phone, but you don't even have to do that. The phone can be off. Put your finger on that fingerprint sensor and boom, you're in and ready to go. But yes, overall first impressions for a phone that cost only around 250 bucks, it actually looks like a premium device. Maybe not, you know, up there like the Samsung Galaxy phones or the LG or the Pixel phones or anything like that. No, this isn't going to be a $700 to $900 device, but for 250 bucks so far, it looks great for the price. But I'm going to have to play with it for a couple days, use it, get some real life situations going on with this device, use the camera and all of that, see how well the battery is before I actually do my official review for this device. But so far I am impressed. I can't wait to use it for a couple days and do my full review, so I will get back to you guys with that. But leave your comments down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think so far of this device. What are your first impressions? Do you like the way it looks? Do you like the way the display looks? What do you think about the battery size? Do you think it's going to last me all day? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already, to keep up with more videos to come. You guys, thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.